Are you a restaurant or cafe owner who wants to train your staff with the right skills and attitude? Look no further. We have a trainer bot for you. This bot will provide your staff with the relevant skills and knowledge to do their jobs well. The training bot can also create quizzes to test your staff on what they have learned. Check it out. Hi, I am Simon, Master Builder here at Estha AI. Let's start by logging into Estha AI. You can log in using your email address and password or via your Google account. When you're in the application dashboard, click on the plus sign to create a new app or bot. Type in the name of the bot and click Create. Provide a bot description to explain what the bot is about or used for. Then add a bot greeting that the user will see when interacting with the bot. Lastly, attach an image. You can use other AIs like ChatGPT to help you create a transparent PNG icon. Please note that we also set the LLM to advanced mode as this bot is meant for adults and requires more complex AI outputs. Now we need to click and drag the if-then meta node and all the relevant action nodes onto the canvas. The action nodes required should be decided during the design phase as each node serves a different purpose. For example, expert nodes are used to provide specialized knowledge taken from the knowledge document. Sounding board nodes are mainly for questions. Multiple choice nodes are to set multiple choice questions. Open question nodes are for slightly longer and open-ended questions, but in this case, we use them to clarify intent. Next, we need to connect all the nodes by clicking and dragging a line from one blue dot to the next. This step is important because it allows us to set up the if-then meta node. This step is important because it allows us to set up the if-then meta node. Each action node is triggered by specific trigger words under each condition. The if-then conditions must be mutually exclusive but collectively exhaustive. This means that each action node is independent, but together they should cover as many dimensions of the bot's main concept as possible. Next, you need to have a knowledge document from which the bot will draw relevant information. It can be a process document from your company, or you can compile publicly available information and process it into a Word document. Now, I will show how I set up the major nodes for this bot: expert, sounding board, and multiple choice. You can rewind and play back this part of the video if you miss anything. For all the nodes except the last open question node, you need to attach the knowledge document. Keep the accuracy at 80%. This means the bot will refer to the document 80% of the time, and 20% can come from the internet. The following are screenshots of the customization and persona sections of the action nodes. You can stop the video at any point to see the details. If you are unsure of how to create a customization statement or persona statement, you can also refer to the building guide help bot in Estha AI. Here is an example of how you can use the building guide help bot in Estha AI to develop your customization statements. You can use simple English to describe what you want to happen when the user provides an input. The bot will then give you suggestions on what the customization might be. You can do the same to create your bot persona. Just use simple English to describe how your bot should behave and sound, and the building guide help bot will draft a persona statement for you to copy and paste into the node. Once you have completed all the compulsory sections of every node in the schema, you should save your work and do a preview to test it. You don't need to build out the entire bot before saving. You can connect nodes one by one and fill up the if-then node step by step. As long as the compulsory fields in each node have something filled in, you can save your work along the way. Compulsory fields are marked by an asterisk. When testing is complete and successful, you can publish the bot to generate a live link. The link can be copied and pasted into WhatsApp, email, or other platforms for public use. You can also share your bot schema with other registered Esther AI users. If you have any questions, comments, or need resources to build your bot, you can reach me at my email address. See you in my next video.